Hello, everyone. We are excited for a special Cinco de Mayo, Taco Tuesday, fantastic Tara's must-have. In case you didn't know who I was, I'm Tara. I know I'm a little incognito because I'm in my big sombrero, but we love to have fun around here, and I think we could all use a little dose of fun. So that's why we're gonna roll this way. Okay, so what is a Tara's must-have? I'm so glad you asked. Well, a Tara's must-have is an item or a collection that I have curated for all of you. Debbie's on the board, Chipmunk 3126 is on the board, Mara's on the board, Jennifer, love that. Love you, girl. Yep, Ed Tesher just popped on. He may or may not be lurking in a matching sombrero. You better believe Lisa's in a matching sombrero. We're having fun tonight on our Super Bowl of Taco Tuesday meets Cinco de Mayo, meets if you ever know anything about me, I love everything Mexican, so love that, and love that we have Tara's must-have for you tonight. So only available on temp-tations.com, exclusive item or collection that I have curated for all of you, and I gotta tell you, tonight is not going to disappoint. This hat, however, I don't know, it's kind of interrupting my hair flow, but I'm all about it, so I'm just gonna roll with it. Oh, Kayfon on the board. Hey, Kayfon. All right, so let's talk about our must-have. So as I mentioned, it is only available at temp-tations.com. It is an item that I have curated and picked for you, a collection that you're gonna wanna match and marry to, and guess what we have tonight? We have our picture. We have been giving you sneak peeks. We deployed, I love saying that word, by the way, we deployed our entire email earlier today, and you are loving it. And here's what you're loving about it. First and foremost, if you're new to our star stitch pattern, where have you been? It's fabulous. It has embossed stars that you see here, that beautiful hand-painted blue detail. The bottom, it's actually a beautiful pedestal picture. You have the whip stitching that runs around the edges, plus you have the red and white stars here. Nice oversized handle, beautiful pour spout, and of course 2.5 quart capacity. So as Lisa said earlier, you never have to refill it. I mean, we might a few times, but really it's not like those pipsqueak pictures that so many of you are used to. And of course, it's in our stoneware, so you can make it hot, you can make it cold. You of course can put it right in the dishwasher when you want to go ahead and clean it. But I have to tell you, if you want to add a little red, white, and blue to your summertime table, this is the way to do it. I know many of you have been collecting Star Stitch, been loving Star Stitch, been asking for new pieces in Star Stitch, and I think everybody absolutely needs a picture, whether you're making margaritas, whether you're making sangria, whether you're making iced tea, lemonade, hot beverages also, which is really fun in here, like a mulled cider, maybe around Christmas time. That's so fun. Let me say a quick hello. Hey, Jenny, good to see you. She said she already ordered it. You're so smart. Nice and big. Yes, Monique, nice and big. Exactly. Like I said, Lisa said we may only have to fill it 2 or 3 times, as opposed to 4 or 5 times. And now she's laughing as she just walked away. Hey, Michelle, good to see you. Tara, did you have a margarita? So here's the deal. Lisa made a whole picture of margaritas, and I have to wait until we're done with this because nobody wants to see that. So once that's finished, yes, I'm gonna have a margarita. And Lisa put a beautiful spread out of chips and salsa. For those of you who don't know, we have been quarantined together. So Lisa and Joe and Ed and myself, literally going on week 6. So here's the deal. I didn't even tell everybody how much it costs. I'm just chit-chatting away. Under $30 for this beautiful hand-painted picture. But here's the really special story. For the next, I had to swallow, okay? For the next 48 hours, you are going to save $15 by picking this up during our Tara's must-have. That's amazing. Shipping and handling is free. It's already on, we've put it on a discount, which is awesome. Brand new item already on a discount. Your normal suggested retail would be just about $35. $30 plus free shipping and handling. You are going to save $15, but only for the next 48 hours. After 48 hours, so this time on Thursday, the price will go up. And of course, the shipping and handling will then be applied, okay? So just wanna give you that heads up. Purchase, didn't want to, oh, Sherry, thank you, love that. Angie, good to see you. See, everybody was telling them the price before I could even get to it. Oh.
Don't get too close.
I was just gonna say, you're gonna knock my hat out. First of all, can I just like move the scarf a little? He's so fun. He put on a button-down shirt that has like all cocktails on it.
I don't normally drink. I don't want anyone to get the wrong impression, but okay.
Hey, nice hat.
I finally have a good excuse to wear this.
Yeah, secretly, I'm sorry, I messed your thing.
Happy Cinco de Mayo to everybody.
Yes, I actually, these are his hats. We just borrowed them.
Yes.
He wears them every once in a while.
Every day I wear them.
Yes. All right, so everybody's saying, so if you want to order it, head on over to temp-tations.com. All kidding aside, for the next 48 hours, you will save $15. Free shipping and handling, $10 savings, $5 just off of the suggested retail price. All right, so Lisa, do we want to move?
Yeah, let's do it.
Where do you want to go? You tell me. You want to go to the living room?
Let's go to the living room first. Ready?
We're going to go to the living room.
Where are we going to go?
I know you guys are going to be very surprised, but my light is already burnt out on my thing because I don't know how to, of course, charge it ahead of time. I'm just not that proactive. So Lisa is following me, and that was an extreme close-up, Lisa. We are going into the living room. Why? Because look what we did here. I love the fact that, look, you can literally lay this out. Maybe you picked up our 13 by 9 lit it. Look at how beautiful that is with the pitcher sitting on it, those gorgeous glasses. This is actually our lemonade that we did in here. So you can keep things nice and cold. Rosalie, when are the scoops coming? When is the egg tray coming? We're getting there. We're celebrating Cinco de Mayo. Hey, everyone. Oh, everybody's loving seeing Ed. Wait till you see Lisa. You know what? Now might be a good time to see Lisa. Lisa, hi.
Hi.
Are we twinning? We're twinning.
We are twinning.
We actually are not twins. That is the truth. However, tonight we may look more and more like each other. However, I'm still the short one, which, is great. Okay, so I'm going to flip it back around to show you just how fun that is. Do you want to walk a little bit?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, let's do it. So I'm going to flip it back around. You can see me in my big sombrero. Lise, are we going to go? You want to go to the bar?
Let's go to the bar.
Let's go to the bar. You know what's exciting about the bar? I could barely fit through the door, by the way, with this hat. This is a pretty big hat. I'm not going to lie. This is super fun. And this was all of you asking about our margaritas. Look how awesome this is. We did our little picture. We put it on a fun little slate where we wrote Happy Cinco de Mayo. You want to pour it?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So using what you have, right? They may be martini glasses. Oh, I just bumped into Lisa's hat.
Oh. I'm kidding. That did not happen.
Oh, but she rimmed the glasses, which is Lise.
Wait, look in there.
Hello.
No, I'm serious. Like
I know.
Over 2 quarts,
2.5 quarts.
That's amazing.
That is massive. She said we're only going to have to refill it like twice. 3 times. All right, so she rimmed it. I love that you did that with a little margarita rimmer.
Yeah.
And then we are potentially using our martini glasses. But hey, you know what? A girl's got to do what a girl's got to do. This is what we have. This is what we're using. So no judgment, please.
Please.
But look how fun. And that was like the little rimmer. We just dipped them in there, which I love. Look at how cute the little sombreros that we have. We have our little star stitch napkins. So super duper fun, Lisa. I absolutely love the way this looks. And oh, I'm coming for you. I'm coming for you as soon as we are done chatting away. Okay, I'm gonna hand you back this phone.
Yep. I'm
gonna flip this back around. And in case you're just joining us, why don't we chat about what we're doing? We have our Tara's must-have, where we are super excited to be sharing with all of you our incredible picture. So what I love the most about this, I'm going to flip that. Thanks, Lise. Let's do that. What I love the most about this is, again, the fact that it's great stoneware. You have that nice oversized hand-painted handle. And I just want to brag on the detail a little bit because I think you're like, it's great, it's a picture. But when you really think about the fact that they're all individually done, they're all individually hand-painted, it's our beautiful stoneware we've never done a picture in Star Stitch. So, I think the first time you really ever saw Star Stitch was this time last year. It's seasonal for us. We don't carry it all year round. What we bring in for the season. And this was one of the biggest requests. This and the egg tray, which I promise you, you'll be seeing soon, were those must-have go-to pieces that so many of you wanted to add to your collection. You love the bakers, you love the bowls, but there's something about having that coordinated pitcher piece. And many of you who picked it up today, which I loved, are gifting this. So maybe it's something you want to drop off at a neighbor's house who's been helping you for under $30, free shipping and handling, delivered to your home. This is an exceptional value at over 2.5 quart capacity. In, of course, our hand-painted detail, as Lisa was showing you, that beautiful pour spout that makes it so easy. And don't forget, hot or cold. So you can put this in the microwave if you want to heat something up. Of course, you can put it in your fridge or even your freezer if you're chilling something ahead of time, and then bring it on out. But if you want to add a little red, white, and blue to your summertime table, let's face it, we're inside, we're in our kitchens, we're cooking more for our families, we're doing more for ourselves, and this is such a great way to do just that. So this is such a fun way to add a splash of, no pun intended, a splash of something you would want. So we're gonna meet Lisa and Ed soon in our dining room, which is key for them to get going because they're sitting over here. I think Ed is on social commenting and talking to all of you. And Lisa is actually getting Lulu's food ready because you know what? We are multitasking if we're not doing anything. All right, so was this fun? It's happy Cinco de Mayo. It's Taco Tuesday. We have burritos we're gonna be eating. We have nachos. We have guacamole. Edward, move to the dining room. We have, he is a piece of work, okay? It takes a village. Ordered today, can't wait to get it. Oh, I'm so glad. Can we see inside? So inside you have that nice, great depth. Thank you guys. By the way, just throw this out all the time. I'm happy to share it with you. Bennett. That's not what's inside. Inside, of course, is that beautiful stoneware that you see there. Nice chubby belly in that silhouette. Pedestal so it's up off your table. You have the hand painting all the way around the bottom. And notice I'm holding it while it's empty. So when you're thinking about, you know, is it super heavy? It's not, but of course it is our stoneware. Hand painted, you have the red and white polka dots. So again, add a splash of fun color, and for the next 48 hours, you can save $15 when you pick it up as our Tara's Must Have. Super excited to share all of this with you. Been bursting because this is my Super Bowl. I love everything about Cinco de Mayo. I love everything about spending time with all of you. And I know that you guys have been super excited about this. Okay, so we're moving and grooving. Why? Because we are going to be saying hello. Let me do this over here. Lisa and Joe. Edward, what are you guys doing over here?
Drinking.
What do you mean sitting? Sitting. Here's the whole gang. Ed's all ready. He's got his beverage. Joe, cheers. Lisa, cheers. And here's what we absolutely love. I love that Lisa put this together in a pitcher with some beautiful flowers. Look how stunning that is. Again, just a pop that you can add, whether you never use it for a beverage or not. It's such a great place. Rosalia said goodbye, everyone. Happy Cinco de Mayo. And thank you, Tara and Lisa. Thank you, Rosalia. So nice that you're always popping on. Everyone's saying hi, Joe. So hello, Joe.
Hello, guys.
And then here's the rest of the collection, whether you've been picking up the bowls, the baker with the awesome lid it. We have ramekins, we have mugs, the flowers and flames. We had just a few of those left. We know you've been loving those. And there's the ramekin that we were talking about. Oh, and there is the big ham. I mean, there's Ed in his sombrero.
Both were accurate.
Both were accurate. All right, everybody, let's see. Can I flip this one around? Let me do that. Boom. And let me do that. How dizzy do I make all of you? I mean, I can't even imagine. All right, everybody, super excited. Pause because you weren't using the app. Uh-oh, Lisa. Uh-oh, Instagram's mad at me. I'm going to hand that to Lisa while she figures it out. What happened? I guess if you pause too long, you may lose everyone on Instagram. All right, everybody. Well, I'm so glad you're loving the collection. I'm so glad you popped on. I'm so glad you love this sombrero. It's massive. I barely fit through the door. And for the next 48 hours, check out our Tara's Must Have, our entire Star Stitch collection. That was a New York entire. And if you want to add a little red, white, and blue to all of your summertime tables, this is the time to do it. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining us. We are going to have a margarita. We are going to have a bevy. And we're going to call it a night. All right? Thanks, everybody. Bye.